Are you looking to sell stuff online and make money, but you don't know what to sell, and you don't want to sell your hair, and you don't want to sell foot pics, and you don't want to start selling stuff laying around your house on those garage site sales? I got you. In June, I started selling digital products, and I spent a long time going down that deep dark hole of Google and Pinterest trying to figure out, okay, what were the digital products I could sell? Because I didn't want to create them. I didn't want to manufacture them. I didn't want to have all the cost associated with it. I wanted to do it the lazy way. I wanted to sell somebody else's products that I already knew were selling. So if they were making money with it, I'm like, sign me up. Where can I go? But it was super complicated. There were a million products I could sell until finally June 15th, I landed on the right digital products I could sell. I'm making 100% profit. I'm learning all the latest sales and marketing techniques, and they gave me a website and they gave me the sales system. And every week, almost every day, I take a free training. There it is. So stop wasting your time. Like, you don't want to sell your hair. Drop me ready in the comments. I'm a lazy entrepreneur, and I'll show you how you can do it.